Hi,
Can't
Bomb.
remember, that's why I forget it.
Oh, I see. What did you do?
I watch.
What did you watch? Did you watch Robot?
Yes.
Okay, I see. That is why. So, well, anyways, that's fine, Bomb. At least you're able to join the class now. Wait, let me message your mom first. Okay, so now let me share my screen and we'll start by answering your homework. Okay, so it's this one. Wait, let me download it first because I know you can see it clearly. Did you watch with B?
Nope.
Nope. Did he go to school?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So now, Bomb, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Can you tell me your answer for the first one?
I.
Okay. Our homework is very difficult yesterday, but today it is easy. Are you sure?
D.
D, our homework is very difficult yesterday, but today it was easy. Are you sure with your answer? Is that your final answer, Bomb?
C.
Okay, so now the correct answer here is B. Why is it B? Because in the first part, it tells us about the past. Okay, it tells us about what happened yesterday. Okay, our homework was very difficult yesterday. But today, okay, right now, it is easy. Okay, so in the second part, it tells us the present. So we will use is. Okay. Now what about for two?
C.
Okay. See, I know that I wasn't late 2 days ago, but this time I. Mhm.
I was late.
Oh, okay. Now in here, Bob, we're talking about 2 days ago, right? So we're talking about contradicting
I.
sentences or contradicting situation here. So it
I.
should be it
I.
D, 2 days ago. Okay, I know that I wasn't late 2 days ago, but this time, okay, this time, right now, Bob, right now, I am late. Okay. So it's D. Okay. It tells us that you were not late 2 days ago, but now you are late. Okay. So it is D. Now, what about for three?
3. Um. D.
C?
D.
Oh, D. Okay. When was she born? When? When was she born? But in here in New Zealand, Bomb.
Oh. The B. No. A.
Okay, yes, it is a where to know about the location. She was born in New Zealand. Okay, so it is a. Now, what about for four?
Y. No. D.
D. Why? Why were
Was
they late for the meeting? Because they are asleep?
because they were asleep.
Okay, yes, because they were asleep. It is C. See, in here, Bomb, we already used the past of are, which is were. So it should be they were sleeping as well. Now, what about 4, 5?
I.
Okay, yes, very good. The weather is nice today, but it was nasty yesterday. Great job. So now we'll proceed to 6. Okay, so what is your answer for 6?
B.
X,
B.
D?
Yes.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Bomb. One was Mr. Black, born. He was born in 1963. That's right. Thank you. Now, what about for 7? The
Um.
students blank very tired today.
C.
Okay, are very tired today because they were at the party last night. Okay, very good. Now, what about 8?
D.
Mm-hmm. D.
I.
Why was Jennifer's job 2 years ago? She were a flight attendant. Are you sure with your answer, Bob? We don't use were with the subject she.
B.
Okay, yes, it is B. What? Okay, we want to know about Jennifer's job 2 years ago. She was a flight attendant. Now, what about for 9?
Um. C.
Okay, see how
Yes.
much? Okay, how much is the briefcase? It was $200, but it is $100 before. Are you sure?
D.
Going, are we going to use is for $100 before?
Nope.
Nope, right? So it is what letter?
I.
Okay, yes, it is A. So how much is the briefcase? It is $200 now. But before it was $100. Now what about for 10?
B.
B or D?
B.
Okay, how old were you in 1990? I was 10, but I am 25 now. Great job. So last number, 11. Okay, it's D. How were they after the accident? They were shocked, but now they are better. Okay, so there you have it, Mom. I know that you know the rule. It's just that you have to think first before, of course, before giving your answers. So now we'll proceed to your book. Okay, so we'll now have the word comedy. What is comedy?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know this one? Okay, so it is a play or a movie, Bomb, that is meant to make people laugh. Okay, have you seen movies or films that are funny? That is comedy. Okay, now what about animated?
I don't know too.
Oh, you don't know this one too. Okay, so these are film, TV show, or yes, movies, that are made using drawings, models that look as if they are moving, just like Toy Story. Are you familiar with this movie?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Okay, so that is an example of animated movie, cartoons. Okay, animated. Now, what about thriller?
Thriller, it means we are very thirsty.
Mm-hmm. That is thrilled. That is thrilled. And it is different to the word thriller. Okay, because when we say thriller, it is a type of story, not a feeling. Okay, that is intended to make people feel excited or fearful because it is a suspension, a genre that creates excitement and tension. Okay, thriller. Wait, let me translate it for you, Bob. Thriller.
Giật gân.
Okay, that is it. Now, next one, science fiction.
Like a potion.
Can you say it again?
Like there's the science means something, but if we drink it, we can be better.
Oh, a potion? Okay, so a science fiction is different to a potion, Bob. When we say fiction, it means the events here are not true. Okay, so this is a type of story that are based on imaginary future discoveries and inventions. Okay, about futuristic and science concepts. Okay, so wait, let me translate it for you. It's about future events.
Một loại truyện dựa trên những
About
khám phá và
robot.
phát minh tưởng tượng trong tương lai.
Okay, that is science fiction. Now, next one, we have fantasy.
Please say again.
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
Fantastic.
No, fantasy. Fantasy is different to fantastic. Okay, when we say fantasy, it's still a type of movie that is involving magic, adventure, and imaginary worlds. Okay, just like Harry Potter. In the movie, it involves a lot of magic, right? Okay, so about that is a movie that is fantasy. Okay, it's a fantasy movie about magic and supernatural elements. Okay, now last one is drama.
Drama. Like we are drawing something.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so when we say drama, it is a genre, it is a type of story that is serious because it will focus on your emotional and emotion, and it is about serious stories that will make you cry, will make you laugh. Okay, it will move you. Okay, so that is drama. Now, which among these type of movies do you like to watch, Mom? Do you like to watch fantasy?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay, I see. That's nice, Mom. Okay, so now I believe that's all it. So I'll see you again tomorrow. You can continue watching your movie now. Goodbye, Bob.
Teacher.